I'm sharing this Greek sushi. Hope you like it. This recipe is best for vegetarian people. Please watch until the end of this video for a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you like it. Ito yung ginamit kong pang-slice ng cucumber para manipis talaga siya. Ganyan dapat kanipis. Tapos, ihilera lang natin isa-isa. Tatlo lang yung gagawin ko for sample. This recipe are also good for gluten-free people. Cheese na plant-based, tomato, and olives and dill. Tapos itong sauce, ang ginamit ko dito ay yogurt and tahiniya lang. So, spread lang natin sa ating cucumber. So, i-layer lang natin maayos. Ilagay natin lahat, cucumber, olives, and tomato. Bahala na po kayo kung anong color ng tomato yung gagamitin nyo. Tapos, cheese na plant-based yung ginamit ko kasi gluten-free yung kakain nito at vegetarian siya. So, any cheese pwede naman po. And then, i-roll lang natin ang dahan-dahan para hindi siya masira. Tapos lalagyan ko lang siya ng dill sa ibabaw para maganda tingnan yung Greek sushi na ginawa ko. So, plating time. Naglagay lang ako dyan ng leaves na pwede natin kainin. And salad din yan, guys. So, it's ready! Happy eating! This is healthy food, healthy recipe. Squeeze ko lang ng lemon yung ibabaw. Greek sushi is ready! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rina's Kitchenary. See ya on my next video. Bye bye!